Okay, so this is our room. And this is our room service cupboard. And then our bathroom, our toilet, and our beautiful shower with a really pretty shower head. Beautiful. Here's the sinks and the closet with a safe. And I was told not to worry about the scale because it's just for show anyway. So, closet. And then this is our bed and couch, TV, mini bar, everything included, mini fridge, everything included, a desk, our jacuzzi tub, and our view. Oh my god, that's beautiful. And our day bed. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh. And let's go to the rooftop.